Good day, friends. This is Dr. Sikandar Kumar Jain. Now, because of this COVID-19, lot of my patients who are taking electrohomeopathy medicines are not able to follow a certain good breathing patterns. So today I'm here to guide you what are the breathing exercises you need to do it. It's very important. What are the breathing exercises you need to do it? There are about 4 exercises I'm going to teach you. Follow these 4 exercises properly. This video I have made it in such a way you can understand it very clearly. You can understand it very much clearly. Alright. Now I am going to go ahead with one by one. So the first breathing exercises. Alright. So the first breathing exercises, I call it as a sniff breathing. Okay, sniff breathing. How to perform a sniff breathing? Sniff is what? Taking the air in bouts, or step by step you need to take the air. So now how do you perform this sniff breathing? The ratio is 1:1:1 is the ratio. Like if you take in for 5, you have to hold for 5 and you have to leave for 5. Similarly, if you take it for 6, you have to hold for 6 and you have to release for 6. Alright. So the first one is sniff breathing. I am going to take it as a 6 sniff. Alright. So the first one is, I'll take a sniff. So I took 6 sniff of inhale, hold my breath, and 6 sniff of exhale. It's not sniff. So inhale, sniffs, hold, and then gradually release it up. That is 6. One more example I'll give. Understand it properly. Breathing in is by sniff, hold it, and breathing out. What does it do? When you sniff it up, you fill in each and every area of the lungs. So the first breathing is called sniff breathing. Alright. So sniff. 1, 2. Relax. So the first one I took is 6, and the second one which I am taking is 9. You have to do it at your level of control. Don't force yourself. 4 inhale, 4 hold, 4 exhale. 5 inhale, 5 hold, 5 exhale. If you are very good, 6 inhale, 6 hold, and 6 exhale. Alright, this is first breathing exercise. Second breathing exercise. Now second breathing exercise is a very simple Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Anulom Vilom Pranayam is what? Alternate nostril breathing exercise. Now how do you perform it? Alternate nostril breathing is inhale through the left nostril, hold your breath, exhale through the right, inhale right, hold your breath, exhale through the left. Here also there is a counting, like in sniff 1:1:1. In Anulom Vilom Pranayama it is 1:4:2. 1:4:2. So if I am going to inhale for 4 seconds, I am going to hold for 16 seconds and then I am breathe out for 8 seconds. So I will just do a demo of one full round, starts from left and ends at the left. Alright. So the first one. This is one round. Initiated from left, held your breath and breathe out through the right. Then took it right, hold your breath and breathe out through the left. I repeat, understand clearly. You took it through the left, hold your breath, you breathe out. After that, don't hold your breath. Again, breathe in through the right, hold your breath and breathe out through the left. This is one round. How much do you do it? Minimum is 11 to 12 rounds. Why? Because one round, I took 4 inhale, held for 16. So 4 plus 16 is what? 20. And then I breathe out for 8 seconds. So 28. So in 1 minute, by shifting the hands, you are performing only 2. Okay, you are only performing 2 proper breathing. So in 12 minutes, you will be able to do only 6 deep breaths. Okay, in 12 minutes, it's 24 deep breaths. Sorry, it's 24 deep breaths you'll be able to do it in 12 minutes. So stick on to 12 minutes or 24 rounds. Alright, so this is our second breathing exercise. Third breathing exercise is called complete breathing exercise, or it is called costal breathing exercise. What are costals? Costals are called ribs, or we say it is a rib breathing exercises. How do you perform it? So it is a 3. So we divide our lungs into lower lobes, middle lobe and upper lobe. You have to make sure you are breathing through all the areas of the lungs. Now how do you do it? So use your hands, okay, and then hold your lower lungs. Okay, this is the lower lungs. So inhale, exhale. So when you inhale, make sure you are able to feel the lungs are getting expanded. When you breathe out, breathe in. Here the ratio is 1:1. So inhale for 4, exhale for 4. Second is the middle lobe. Middle lobe, you have your hands like this. This is just to make you feel that you are able to expand. So equal amount of inhale, equal amount of exhale. The third one is called apical breathing, or the tip of the lungs. How do you feel it? Right hand to the opposite, left hand to the opposite. This area should expand. Your hand position is only to feel that the area is expanding. One more. Relax. So how many minutes you need to do it? This is for 5 minutes. So initially sniff breathing, you did it for 5 minutes. Anulom Vilom Pranayam, you did it for 12 minutes. Sniff breathing again is 5 minutes. So already 22 minutes is over. This is our third breathing exercise. Yes, now the fourth breathing exercise. With this, one more is the spirometry, which you are getting it done in hospital. I will again guide you how to use it. The fourth breathing exercise is respiratory, resisted exercise, and you need a small dupatta or a towel. Any lengthy thing is okay. So what you have to do is, you have to do resisted and assisted breathing. So before the third one, you just felt the breathing. Here you will cross it. Okay. Now give a little pull. Okay, so that you are restricting the expansion of lungs. Okay, you have to resist. You should not allow the lungs to expand fully. When you breathe out, you should make sure the lungs are absolutely breath out. So similar, I'll just do it. Observe it. I will do for 2 at each place. Alright. Inhale. Exhale. So when I inhale, when I breathe in, my hand was trying to little resist the lungs from expand. So this will generate a good negative pressure and the air will go entirely to the lungs. The second one, I'll take it at the axilla level. Alright. Inhale. Now we'll begin. Exhale. This is resisted assisted breathing exercises, and this is our fourth exercise. The fifth one, which you are practicing, I really don't need to teach you, but I'm going to guide you. You get a spirometer from the medical shop or a good spirometer from any surgical shops. Now spirometer has got a 3 balls and you can hold it this straight way and a reverse. When you hold it straight away, when you hold the spirometer straight away, you have to hold the mouthpiece of the spirometer and you have to take a deep inhale with closed mouth, okay? Make sure your mouth is not open. So you have to hold the mouthpiece into the lip area, purse it or inhale. Make sure all the 3 balls in the spirometer is going up, okay? And then you can reverse it and then breathe out. When you breathe out, only 2 balls are going to move, so don't get dejected that only 2 balls are moving. When you breathe out, it's only 2 balls. When you breathe in, it is 3 balls. So guys, practice these 5 breathing exercises. This will really help you during this period of COVID-19. Whether it is killing the virus, we don't talk about it. It is going to improve your respiratory flow very easily, expansion of the lungs very easily. So guys, learn it, teach to any number of people or forward to any number of people as much as possible. Like it, share it, subscribe my channel so that you can get most good videos about various diseases. Thank you guys.